Hello everyone, and welcome to this informative tutorial. Today, we explore the GeoVisual Object Library, a treasure trove of resources to enhance your plans and refine your digital twins. Let's start by opening a project. Access the Object Library through the sidebar. To close it again, click on the sidebar or the button in the upper right corner. We begin in the Content Browser overview, which contains various folders. Scroll down using your mouse wheel or by dragging the sidebar. Open any folder and select an object by clicking on it. Your current folder layer is displayed at the top. Navigate back by clicking its name. You can freely choose the layer you want to go back to. Use the search bar for specific objects. Objects are tagged, so synonyms and categories will also appear in your search. Let's select a tree from the contents and place it. The object library closes automatically for more workspace. Right-click to end placing objects and the library reopens. Now, let's select a forest. This time, you have a pen for drawing a spline. The forest generates within that. As you can see, you never have to think about what kind of tool to use, be it splines, areas, surfaces, or placing objects. Our object library is tool agnostic and will always select what you need based on the object you want to use. Next, favorites. Mark any object as a favorite by clicking the star on its UI card. Access these in the Favorites folder at the top of the overview. Favorites are project-specific, allowing customization for current project needs. In the Overview's lower section, import custom 3D models. Refer to our Custom Model Imports tutorial for details. These imports appear in the Imported Objects folder. If you have plugins installed, their objects can be found in this section. Experiment with the available objects to elevate your project. Thanks for joining us today. See you again soon, and happy visualizing.